So I recently picked up this LED motion sensor security light and I installed it out back of my house. So I just wanted to do a video kind of demonstrating how it works, how good it is out there. A couple of features on it. As you can see, it does come with a remote. It does have 3 lighting modes. It is a motion sensor and you can change it, have it turned on or off. Installation was super easy. You just install the fixing plate and then connect the motion sensor light to it. And that has some controls at the base of the light itself. So on the left you have time and on the right you have the sensitivity of the sensor. So with the time you can set to test 1 minute, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and that's just how long the light will stay on before it turns back off again. And with the sensitivity you basically have low, medium or high, and I have put in a photo from the instructions that actually demonstrate the difference between the least sensitive to the high sensitive and how it's actually going to operate when people are moving into that sensor. And as you can see from this demonstration here, I'm walking in from the side, so it has a really wide angle for that sensor to actually pick up people coming in, and it does pick up from a great distance away before I actually get close to it. And it does come with a remote which allows you to turn it on and off and actually switch some sensor settings. So mode 1, sensor mode, light will be triggered to full brightness when motion detected at night and will turn off when people leave. Mode 2 is dim to sensor mode, light will turn on at night by middle brightness and will be triggered to full brightness when motion detected and turn back to middle brightness when people leave. And mode 3 is always on mode, so the light will automatically turn on to medium brightness at night and the motion sensor is off during this mode. And again, here's some demonstrations of me using that remote to turn the LED motion sensor light on and off and switch between, and the sensor's going off right there right now, and turning it back on. It's really responsive and you can actually adjust the heads of the lights as well. So there's 3 separate lights that are adjustable, and that actually allows me to have enough light in the directed space that I want directed in for me to hang out there with my family and get workouts in. I actually love to just do workouts back there, and having that sensor light installed back there just gives a lot of comfort to my family, knowing that if anyone is to walk past or is in our backyard, it will also go off and hopefully either scare them away or alert us. Now if you're interested in this LED sensor light, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get it. Do like and comment and subscribe for more reviews like this.